I am back here in the engine bay, and I'm trying to get all these bolts lined up in here, and so it's a lot of fun, but you gotta love it. Gotta love it. I got it started, get this guy started, but unfortunately I gotta remove it because it has the fuel line on it. Yep, fuel line. These are all said I already rethreaded the bolt holes. Now I gotta try to get a ratcheting wrench back there, and I don't think I can do that. So instead I gotta find a regular wrench. Most of these were 15 millimeter, but yeah. Fortunately, this set jumps right over the 14 millimeter. How you like that, huh? Actually, this set jumps right over the 15 millimeter. That's what I'm trying to say. So instead I already rethreaded the bolt holes, and so hopefully one of the things I find that's very annoying is where the hell they have these harnesses. They seem to be in the road. You know what I mean? That one started, and then give me a hard time, and then this one goes in okay. How does that work? You may know why one's easy and one's hard. Problem I had was that engine mount was in the engine lift was in the road, and so yeah, this guy's going right in easy as I'll get out. Would be nice if there was a ratcheting wrench, but I don't seem to recall what I did with it. I used to have it though. And then there's one below this side, somewheres. My lower back and hip killing me. It is not the nicest place to be. Is be underneath, laying on the ground down there, because I don't have one of those rolling creepers that they make. It's real small. My creeper, I have to go up off the ground for a bit to use it. Almost there. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. It's supposed to be until Sunday, and then Monday it's going to start switching back the other side. So we're on the other side of the hill, and then she'll be back in the 70s. So yeah, it's kind of a great day for colors. If you're into that. Actually, this one here, this wrench is so loose on here that you would think that this is I don't know. I thought it was starting in there, but I want to say that it's not. Oh, it's not. Didn't even start all that jazz about how it was threading in there. It didn't even thread in there at all, because it's somewhere my mounting bolt thingy was bent. There it goes. There we go. Trying to keep tape over these intake, just so nothing gets in there. But unfortunately, what these wrenches are on when you're doing bell house bolts, you need like a straight one. This 15 degrees is not your friend. I say, not your friend. I'm getting real good at this engine, so just in case you were wondering. After the second time taking it out, put it in, you get real good at stuff. Yeah, this wrench is like sloppy. So this is a 15. So really it isn't a 15. It's something else. But I don't know why the bolts are so different. Because they are. Because I'm working on it. Yeah, see, I could use the ratcheting wrench on that one. And guess what? It didn't. Mainly because it wouldn't fit on the head. So now this one down here, I'm thinking it's the right one. Doesn't want to fit. It might be set up for, it might be where having it in and out so many times I've had a little bit of the forgets, like, and maybe the top one was supposed to be a 14, and then the next bolt down is supposed to be a 15, and then the bottom one next is supposed to be the other one. But yeah, that's the problem with pulling these apart so many times. You tend to forget. So maybe this bolt over here is the right one. See how long they are? And see how long this other one is? About the same. Yeah, got two washers on it. Maybe I put the washer on. I don't recall. Let's try this other one. Because I threaded the holes so I could resolve from any kind of problem like that. And yeah, maybe that's the case. Is they're a little different. Okay, well, that one's going on. So the two top ones are 14, and the next one is 15. Does that sound familiar? For anybody else? Must be the case, because it's wanting to go in. At least it seems like it's wanting to go in. So I try to leave them right up here on top, right up on top of the doghouse, so I could All right, so you just got 2 more to do, 1 on each side, and then I'll have them all the bell housing molds. All right, let me get them 2 guys done, and then you gotta leave this. There's a bracket here on this that holds the fuel line, and you gotta kind of leave it loose so you can get both bolts in. I'd show you down from the bottom, but all that dirt falls on my face when I'm trying to show y'all. All right, show y'all. Huh? There's a view of the back of it. Bolt here, and there's a bolt here, and this is the transmission stick. All right, so now I'm gonna drop down and get 2 more bolts, 1 on each side, and that'll be that one, and that'll be the other one. Huh? A little bit difference in length, but that's what we got left up here. So all right,